Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this dress combo on Dress to Impress. For this one, you do need VIP because we are wearing the jeans dress. So I'm just going to be removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on. First, I am going to get this top here and I'm just going to color it this brown color, 3C24817. You can use any color that you would like, of course. We're also then going to use this denim dress. I'm just going to color it brown and then brown again, and then I think I did this like color 887B69 just in case you wanted to use the same color palette. Then I used this belt in the third toggle, position the Y to 0.47, Z to 0.48, rotate the X to 0.51 and scale to 0.58. I'm sorry about the removed color. I just removed a bunch of colors and I'm not waiting that long to create a tutorial. But the color I'll be using is 3C2417 and C69. Then I'm going to add this in the second toggle and I'm going to add in this pattern on top of it. I did this one. And that is your dress. Super cute and super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.